This is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pause your YouTube watch history. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about the channel. So let's go! The reasons for pausing or delayed videos in your YouTube watch history are many. Perhaps you want to prevent the contamination of your timeline because a pesky nephew uh, watch a bunch of video and ruin your recommendations, or perhaps you don't want the world to learn of your weakness for Taylor Swift song. Whatever the case, we're not here to judge. Posing your watch history is the best way of going about doing this. And here's how to do it. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, first we have to open our YouTube. As you can see, here's my watch history, like my search and a sort, and also the watch history. If I watch a video, it will appear on my watch history in here. So how, if you want to pause your watch history, you can go to your profile, open your history section in here, tap on view all. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. And there is an option, pause watch history. You can just tap on that. When you pause your watch history on YouTube, YouTube watch history can make it harder to find videos you've watched, and you may see fewer recommendations for new videos on YouTube and another Google products. Remember, Remember, pausing the setting doesn't delete any previous activity, but you can view, edit, and delete your private YouTube watch history. Now you can tap on pause. So now when you watch a video on YouTube, the video won't be appear on your watch history. It's so simple, right? So that is how to pause YouTube watch history. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!